Hi everyone, it's your Buhay Mother Monica, and right now we're at the Australian Botanic Garden at Mount Annan, and it is such a nice sunny day, so we took the kids out to Mount Annan here, and it's our first time to be here, and it is so beautiful here. And as you can see, it's actually a massive place, and I will show you soon the area. Hopefully you enjoy the tour and enjoy the garden here in Australia, and it's such a nice place to be in. Yeah, we took the kids out here, and they're in the playground right now with my husband. They're enjoying the playgrounds there, so while they're doing that, I'll show you around. So hopefully if you can visit this area, Mount Annan, it's in Sydney, New South Wales, please check it out and come visit. And it's such a beautiful place. Okay, enjoy the tour.
They gonna hear my voice, ain't gonna make my choice. I'm gonna make some noise in my life, baby. They gonna watch my words, ain't gonna write my verse. I'm gonna make this yours before it's mine, baby. Ooh, let me scream, yeah. Let me scream. That's what I need, baby. Dance on me, man. And let everybody in the room see. That's you and me, baby. It's so hard to make a sound, and that's why you should keep me around. Listen, baby, yeah. When I'm done, it's gonna be obvious. Imagine if that was all of us now. Why can't I get? A look from your direction, give me just a second. I need your attention. I need your attention, baby. Why can't I get? Them to ever see us, them to just believe us, baby. They will hear us. If they don't know, they gon' hear us. They gon' hear us. Hey, and I promise that they gonna hear us. I'm on an ultrasonic wave. I'll make it somehow whether you like it or not. Yeah. Cooking up vibes for days. I know what you like and I got just what you want. Yeah. I wonder will you trust me, baby? Got it in the works and I've been working a lot. Yeah. So anytime it comes to that, all I really do is focus on the why. Ooh, let me scream. Let me scream. That's what I need, baby. Dance on me. Man. And let everybody in the room see. That's you and me, baby. It's so hard to make a sound, and that's why you should keep me around. Listen, baby, yeah. When I'm done, it's gonna be obvious. Imagine if that was all of us now. Why? Can't I get them to ever see us, them to just believe us, baby. They will hear us. If they don't know, they gon' hear us.
This is only one section of the Botanic Garden, and I haven't even gone to the top part of it or further down. It's huge. You could spend a few days here just walking around. And I was asking one of the cafe staff, and they did say it gets pretty popular during the weekend, and because there are some areas in New South Wales or in Sydney that are locked down, that's why there's less people right now. But look at this one, such a perfect day to just be out and enjoy nature. And look at the clouds, nice blue clouds, and they have big trees. Beautiful to be here.
this fake